Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60, and this morning I'm going to attempt to pick this Arrow KIK, and this is the bidding. It's a KW10 key. It goes nicely, and it was sent to me and pinned by Texas Gem. So Texas Gem, buddy, thanks a lot for this lock and the trade. Once hopefully I'll get caught up here soon. I'd like to do another trade with you, and with a few other fellow pickers that I haven't done the trade with in a while. So see if I can make that happen. But that's not what this video is about right now. So I'm gonna try to pick this. Haven't been in it. Yeah. Kind of hangs up here and there, but that's what you get out of a challenge lock. Excuse me, how to get my coffee because it's 6 o'clock in the morning. All right, let me get this a little closer to me. Like that. Maybe that's hopefully get my hand in there. All right. Like they say, let's get her done. All right, the back, and it's a 6-pinner, obviously. That was 6. Got a little full set, clicking full set, coming forward. Nothing. Nope. That was the warding. Okay. All right, got a little click out of 2, but I lost my full set. So let me go back from where I lost it and try to regain it. There we go. That was 6. That was the warding. Nothing. That was 4. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm using a 50,000 pry bar, top of the keyway, and now I'm switching to the Forest Diamond from Peterson's. Okay, 6 again, and there we go. So went to 6 3 times. Went 6 5 4, then back to 6, and 6 again, and the last time it opened up. Cool. Coolio. Let me get this out of the way without knocking over my coffee. Alright. Excuse me. Let's get this little doodad out of here. I hope everyone's doing well. And Texas Gem, this was a fun lock, man. Some of you guys in the comments, I noticed that you guys noticed that I've been saying a lot about feedback, how much fun that is and how much I enjoy it. Crap. Which I do. Hold on. I don't want to mess up this gun. I mean, halfway there already. Alright, let's see if I can get a shim in there now. Probably not. Okay. I'm not gonna like it. Okay. And let's go like this. Okay. Yeah, you can see beautiful sharp threading in every chamber. Wow, that must have been a new tap. And you can see it, they all needed to be picked, but it looks like 3 and 4 could be a overset trap. Let me get the key in. And it's a little bit above the shear line. That's what was doing all that clicking. All right, like that. Come on. All right. All right, let's see what we got here. Number 1 is a spool. 2 is a double serrated. 3 is a double spool. 4 is serrated. Come on. And this baby looks like it's a deep spool. If I don't lose it halfway across the room here. Here we go. Wow, that is tiny and deep. Let me set the core down. Come on, baby. Check that out. Like this. How deep and sharp that is. Yeah, these are some beautiful pins. Texas Gem. Okay, and that appears to be wrong spot there. That appears to be a spool with a narrow top. All right, like this. Get that out of there. See what we got here. Oh, wow. Oh, please don't let it be a pin and pin. No. That is beautiful serrated pin there. Beautiful. Come on, man. Just roll with the punches, Angela. There you go. Oh, wow, you're so dark. Okay. And that's a copper spring. And there's work done to the Bible. Another serrated driver and threading in that chamber 2 in the Bible. And this is like an ASA type pin. And oh, there you are. And a stainless steel spring. Going the other way. Whoa, almost lost that. Oh, wow. Hold on a second. Yep. That's a pin and pin. And the sleeve, as I call it, has serrations in it. And let's see what kind of spring. I think it's copper. Yep, copper spring. Short one too. Short and fat. Short and stout. And number 5. That looks like, no, okay, serrated. I thought it was a piece of screw or something like that, but no. All right, it's a copper spring, but if I don't get it, it's fighting to get out. All right, I'll leave it alone. See what happens. Okay. What we got here? And number 4, a drunken spool, or not really a drunken spool. I call it a drunken T-pen, but that's me. Okay, and that's there. And here we go. And that one's there. Cool. Yeah, so let's go over these real quick. Number 1 key pen is a spool, a serrated driver, and a copper spring. Number 2 is serrated driver and a copper spring. And here in 3 is double serrated with an ASA type driver and a steel spring. This can go either way. You can go either double serrations or double spool drunken T-pin and a copper spring. And here we got a baby a baby key pin, and it's a spool, and it almost looks like a mushroom spool type, because it kind of like bevels like that to the top. And anyways, we got a serration driver and a brass spring, copper spring. And right here we got, that's basically a T-pen and a pin and pin, and the sleeve is serrated and copper spring there. So that's what we have here, and everything in the Bible has been threaded, as you can see, all the way up to 5. And there's 6. You can see where he went. He did a good job on this this lock. Beautiful, beautiful lock there, Texas Gem. Thank you for doing the trade and sending it out. And everyone, be safe, be legal. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the bell icon so you can be notified my next video. And if you're not a subscriber to Texas Gem channel, please hit him up. He's really good. He's been at this for practically all his life, so a fine gentleman too. So be safe, be legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.